Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome back to Innovation Blends. Today I will talk about design thesis. Thesis is extremely important for design student and can be a hectic journey because of the practical work involved. I will provide you some tips so that your journey become less hectic. These tips will help you to stay clear about your work, prevent stress, and allow you to enjoy your thesis. So, here are these tips. Number 1, choose a compelling topic. Select a thesis topic that excites you and align with your interests and goals. It should be specific enough to provide focus but broad enough to explore various design aspects. Number 2, conduct thorough research. You should dive into extensive research related to your chosen topic. Theoretical research is highly essential. To not assume that being a designer and working solely with visuals is enough. That is not the case. Conducting theoretical research provides a solid understanding of your topic, clear concepts, and make it easy to present a jury. This is especially crucial for subjective topics. It helps in gaining a better understanding of the elements related to your topic, enabling you to incorporate them effectively into your design. Conduct research on images and invest time in it as well. The more you explore the element related to the topic, the easier it will be to stylize them. Number 3, don't be oversmart. In a thesis, it is important to showcase your skill and creativity, but that doesn't mean you should go completely out of the way. It is advisable to choose techniques and skills that you have some familiarity with rather than attempting something completely new for the first time in your thesis. Select techniques that you have previous experience or knowledge of. However, during the sampling process, you can explore further innovation within the chosen technique. Number 4, number of techniques. Do not take too many techniques, just focus on one or two. If you take more than that, you may not be able to do justice to all of them. Try to choose 2 techniques so that you can explore them thoroughly and demonstrate a proper relationship between them. Number 5, reflect and refine. Engage in self-reflection and make necessary improvements during your thesis journey. Seek feedbacks from professors and mentors to enhance your work. Don't fall into the trap of rigidly sticking to your initial plans and refusing to adopt regardless of the circumstances. Instead, remain flexible and open-minded and making adjustments and refinements as required. Number 6, picking the material. It is necessary to consider what the demands of your product, and apart from that, there are a lot of decisions to make, like must also contemplate the types of fabric, yarn sizes, and which kind of dyes will be used. Should the fabric be bleached or left natural? Or these considerations require careful thought and evaluation. Number 7, sampling. Textile design is a hand-on field, so don't shy away from experimenting. Sampling is crucial, so try to conduct as much sampling as possible. Explore traditional and innovative approaches to create unique and impactful designs. Number 8, balance creativity and practicality. While pushing the boundaries of creativity is important, remember to consider the practicality and feasibility of your designs. Aim for a balance between innovation and functionality, keeping in mind the end user and industry requirements. At last, remember, thesis is an opportunity to showcase your skills and creativity and research capabilities also. Enjoy the process, stay organized, and stay true to your vision. Good luck for your textile design thesis. If you have any queries related to this thesis and any other topic, please let me know by commenting. And stay tuned and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.